Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Today we're working on a BMW. This is a coupe. I think it's a F. I don't remember. Oh, I can know that. This one is a F33. New headlight module being replaced. And we're gonna program this. And this one is coming from the factory stock. As you can see, it doesn't look shiny and new. So therefore I said the glass of this are broken and they replaced the glass here. So we're gonna try to also see if this needs coding and update it. This one is new. Headlight module, right? So we're gonna program this. Alright. Here's our bumper out there. Over there. As before, we say we have our battery maintainer here. Running. And our voltage is roughly. Oh, the ignition turn off. Oh, the ignition turn off on it one. Ignition is 0. It's on now. Oh, this shit keep turning off. Alright, okay YouTubers, whenever you're on any BMW like say a F series or G series and you turn on the ignition and it shortly thereafter turn off itself, it's because it has a battery management system that keeps track of the voltage, the startability voltage threshold that must start the car whenever the owner or the driver ready to drive away. Alright, so that is why it turn off on its own. But if the voltage is below startability threshold is basically 12.5 volts. Or 12 volts. If it drops below that, it's going to turn off the ignition on its own if it senses that the ignition is on and the diagnostic socket is not being used. But if you have the battery maintainer like this now on the car, like there, and it's at 12.5 volts and you know turn on ignition, it's not going to turn it off. You just want to make sure that the voltage is not dropping below startability threshold. Oh god, the top reverse side view camera not coming on, the KFOS is not coming on the. Oh, that is like a fucking thing right there. Alright, this. Alright, we're doing these modules here. This one is gonna be programmed. And then we're gonna look at this one left. As you can see here, other element, the other electronics is 2B, 2BBF or 2B8F. Alright, you see actual right now, right out right here. This is the same actual match nominal. Nominal is what is expected to be on the car. Alright, so you can see that right here in both. You can see that this CFD file is in the nominal, what is expected, and it's in the actual right out from the module. That CFD file is not on this module, so it's new. So we're gonna write it here. We're gonna click on this one and look. As you can see here the audio electronics 2FED. Alright, this is the one that came stock on the car from factory. And this one here is 2FE0. 2FE0. I'm gonna go back on this one.
Sandalyeyi alıp çöktünüz. Ben onu doğru yerden almamışım. Hemen bak onu oraya bak seninki orada sana oluyor. Aslan oluyor.
We're gonna say some vehicle details. Wow, F33. Where the hell is it?
Sen bir daha buraya gelmiş suratı nasıl olsa sana söyleyeyim. Sen söylüyor diyorsan ben söyleyeyim. Surat aslında seni görmek istemiyorum. Zaten derdimiz açmış oldu.
Wow.
Geçtim hani bize enerji vereceksin.
Oh, it's on a desktop. Oh, that's why.
Daha geçtiğim var.
Alright, we're calculating measure plan. Click service plan or click programming plan to see what it determines.
Bilmiyorum. Çalışıyorsun, çalışmıyorsun, gelirsin kahvaltıya gelmezsin değil mi? Ben bugünden söyleyeyim sonra söylemedim. Ne oldu? Olmadı.
This is the measure plan here. I'm not going to program the whole car, I'm going to disconnect from it. I'm going to say measure plan here. We're going to choose F20 here. Lock icon. We're going to read parameters on VCM, read out I-step shipment. I'm going to save FA.
Bugün yine böyle canlı şeyde duruyor. Açık açık söylüyor ya. Hayır o değil.
Here's our FLE module, right? That coding file gonna be into it. Can go here. Code module.
Bu adam 20 senedir böyle. Bu adam bir açığı olsaydı var ya. Amerika, Avrupa, CIA, FBI bilmem ne ama hepsini ortaya çıkartırdı. Ha? Bir şeyini ortaya çıkaramadılar ki. Önce Kılıçdaroğlu aldı.
Once you read out SDT here, save it, then you calculate sol right here by click complete flash right here. Calculate sol, then save sol. Then when you read out, when you calculate sol, which is vehicle update, it picks out the red software file from the laptop, the latest eye-level target, and then it will highlight it here, and then it will right click here on the control module description file on the address, and then you click code, and then that's it. Sometimes when you do not calculate right yourself, you just click on this description file and the address right here, and then we click detect CAFD right here. Alright, so there's two ways to do it, but it's the same process. There's a file written there. Good. Then we click read ECU button here. It should be black. There it goes. Alright, we're done with that. And it shows that the other headlight model is also okay. 43 is okay. 44 is okay. So both of them is black, you know. Alright, so far so good, no big deal.
Olay siyasetin içinde gidiyor. 6 yaşından beri afiş yapıştırıyorum. Afiş. Yediğim dayan lafta hesabı yok. Hem komşudan hem babamdan.
Alright, I will not call to update the car, not do anything else. So far so good. I finished with this one now. We can disconnect from this. Minimize this. We'll go back here. We're gonna go on idle radar, release icon. We're gonna go back here. We're going to go here and we're gonna look at control unit 3. It shows right here that FLE, so the coding file is not there, but this one that came from the factory stock, it has its coding file there at the bottom, and that one doesn't have. So we're gonna close out the whole vehicle session. And then roughly what models we do not have responding here. We have the lane change warning not responding, KFAS not responding, and also top reverse side view camera not responding. But when you go here in service plan, after we calculate vehicle update, you do not see none of them checked right here for order install. Alright, and if we look right here, we can see that they are checked for programming. They are seen by ISTA. They are basically seen. The KFAS is seen. And also, it's only few. Programming can be done too. It's only few. This one, airbag, controller, DME, and the AD unit, and IHK, KFAS, and the combi. The TCB, roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 models to be checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 models to be checked. Alright, no problem. We're gonna close it out. We're gonna close out the current session and read about the car. You pay attention to this right here. Once you see you close it out and you see this progress going around and around here like this, you know it's actually closing the process in the background, so we wait. And you can see the close button is grayed out. Whenever it's finished, it's gonna see it highlighted black. Alright, there goes, you see, now come back black. So we click back right here. We click read out car now. Complete identification with vehicle test. You also have another option that we can identify the vehicle without vehicle test. And this is the IP address that is defaulted in the icon firmware 192. This is the current network path to program the car over, especially the KFAS, the TRSDC, the AD unit, and the DME, and also ICAM 4. Alright, we pause the video for now. Alright, now here goes the file in here. Now the coding file is in our model like it is in this one here. Alright, so we're going to look at we have 69 files. We're going to look at what if the model is initialized, and we're going to see right here we're going to get this file code encoding. Control unit is not encoded. That is the previous result of the previous readout. But usually you come right here under the column existence. If you see yes, that means the software is telling the truth. The control model is not encoded. But if you see no, like right here and right here, that means, you know, the model is encoded. So I'll just come right here under column existence and look for either yes or no. If it is no, that means the control model is encoded. If it is yes, that means the software is right. The control model is not yet encoded, and you must perform encoding of it. So we're going to look into see if we can we're going to delete most of these codes, right, and we're going to see what comes back. We're gonna look if the headlight, if the light comes on. Here it goes. The light's not working. Daytime running lights are on. They're there. But none is running here. See? It's off.
Huh?
This needs to be replaced. This one working now. It's on. But this one needs to be replaced.
That's new.
That's new? Oh, it doesn't look new to me.
Yellow stuff.
Yeah, low beam is on that side. This one is. I beam. Push I beam, start forward. Get I beam. Alright, I beam is on. I beam is on there. So
Sonra değiştirmen lazım böyle.
turn off I beam.
Niye?
Yedi lan dedim.
Alright. Alright, the lights are working, the new one works, so we go. It's also say right here, classification resistor. Uh-oh. It says no, the fault code is not there for it, so the classification resistor is okay. It said short circuit to ground for classification is detected with low signal. Alright, no problem, that is not any problem right here. It says right here on the existence column, no, no. No for both of them. It's good news. My job is almost finished. So we delete the fault code memories and see 69. Let us see how much come back. You study when it deleting the file code. If it's F series or G series, to turn off the ignition automatically and you put it on back automatically. There it goes back on again. Alright, so far so good. There's no file code in both FLEL and FLER. You can see they're basically clean. You have KFOS here. The KFOS not responding, and also this not responding. You see? It's not responding and this not responding. You see that? No fault code in the lane change warning. The KFOS system. DME fault code here, EPS ICM. So if we can sort those out. So let's just look. Alright, there goes the light on. And no low beam. Alright, boom.
Bir de adam bana bu konuda buraya tutsa. Buraya. Ondan sonra dedi ki bastı adam bana sen neredesin?
This light here, it's different. It's a different variant because I see the other electronic ID was different for this. This one has angel, has our LEDs. Oh, this one is the same one too, the same design, but it doesn't work. It doesn't come on. Probably this needs to be replaced.
Mesleğe bırakmışlar yaşlar. Elini öptüm adamın ya.
Nereden nereye denk ya? Bütün oradan sen
Bak. Amerika'ya gelip çalışıyoruz. Gidiyorum babamın saatini bırakma. Orada yaşlı bir adam ve yatıda çıkıyor.
Alright, so far so good. My job kind of finished. Let me see, these 4 control models as basically 8 fault codes. So let me see what are they today. Electric fan open circuit, yes, because the bumper is taken off. And then we have right here so coolant temperature sensor signal short to B plus line disconnection. It could be because of wiring. And check control messages. Service requires engine oil change right here. And in EVS control unit, rotor position sensor steering angle index is off. And then we have E18 camera based driver support system short circuit positive. Yes, that fault code is still there. Lane change warning, that is still there. And also invalid the signal actual position of the E. Yeah, this one also still there. So we have that fault code remaining. Let me see if I can save a copy of it for my records. Alright YouTube, we're recalculating measure plan, but no big deal. We're gonna basically look at what the service plan is. It has those few modules to be updated. Alright, these are a few models. Basically put the L units to sort it out, blah blah blah. I say I want to update the car, but I'm just fearful that something might happen bad, you know. I'm in a worse of trouble, so I'm not going to fuck with it. I'm not going to update it. I'd like model come to sort out. Alright YouTubers, this is the end of our line for this car right here. Alright, so remember to subscribe to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Goodbye, I am out. Blum. I like the fucking smoking shit. Alright.
Go to high lamp. Yeah, big one. Like this. Working?
Oh, the beam? I
Yeah.
beam? Oh, yeah. I tested already. Yeah, here it goes.
This is what is this? This one? Like this?
This?
No, this one. What is it? Yeah, I work.
I beam working?
Yeah, I working. This not working. I know what is this. It's like this.
Not working.
This is working. You check. Look.
Alright, go on. Oh, no? Nothing, no. Yeah, but there's no... Yeah, I don't know. But there's no fault in the system. It's fault free. Low beam show here and then high beam as well. This one, I don't know why that doesn't come on. I mean, there's no fault. there's no
Did you say
fault.
4 blacks?
Huh?
Did you say 4 blacks?
No, no. Alright, alright. I think this is finished now.